Hey guys, welcome to my new video of camera comparison. iPhone 10 has class-leading 12 megapixel wide-angle rear camera with telephoto lens. It can shoot 4K videos up to 60 frames per second. On the front, it has 7 megapixel true depth camera. This beautiful device has quad megapixel camera. There is a 64 GB of main primary shooter. You have 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera. You have 2 megapixel of depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. On the front of the device, you have the 20 megapixel main selfie shooter. The selfie camera comes with a lot of Xiaomi's awesome features, the beauty mode, the AI mode and portrait mode and so on. So let's see some sample images and videos of this amazing smartphone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.